Ready to make a delicious egg sauce. Let's dive in. I poured vegetable oil in the dry pot and I added in some sausages. In this other part of my stove, I'm boiling yam because I'm going to be pairing this egg sauce with yam. So I use my spatula to stir around the sausages, and now I'll be adding in my pepper mix. This pepper mix consists of tomato, pepper, onion, like all the mixes. So I use my spatula to stir everything together very well. In the other part of my stove, I'm trying to check if the yam is fully cooked. So I use toothpick to just check it, and now it is fully cooked. So in the other part of my stove, I'm trying to check if the pepper mix is dried, and it is. And now I just added all-purpose seasoning and salt. I don't like too many spices on my food, so I try everything to make it simple. So I'm using my spatula to stir everything well together and try to put some spaces, because this egg, we are not going to be whisking it. So I just drop it around the spaces that I left in the egg sauce. So I just leave the egg to steam a bit for some seconds, then I use my spatula to just move it around a bit. I don't want it to be very, very scattered. At least I want to be seeing big lumps in this egg sauce. There's a story behind this egg sauce. When I was making this egg sauce, my friend actually came to visit the first time I make this egg sauce. So when she came to visit, I just make this egg sauce for her, and ever since then she has been staying in my house because of this egg sauce. She wants me to be preparing this egg sauce for her every day. This will not be wahala. I'll be telling her to go. I even taught her the recipe. Come, I'll be going to your house. I don't need you anymore. She said no, she wants me to be preparing it for her. But I don't mind. As a good friend that I am, I always prepare this egg sauce for her. So since she loves this egg sauce so much, I decided to make a video about it, because I've been preparing this egg sauce for a very, very long time and I have not been filming it. So I decided to make a video so that she will come and always watch this video and to still share it with my besties out there. So what do you think about this egg sauce? Will you be giving it a try? If you will give it a try, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye.